Hello from the Deep Arctic expedition. You asked us which tools we're going to use to discover the Arctic seabed, and the answer is this beauty here behind me. This is Holly, as we call her, our underwater robot. She can dive down up to 3,000 meters deep, and she has different tools to sample. For example, these two manipulators, different boxes. She has a row of sensors and also a lot of cameras. And with this, it will be possible for us on board to steer her into different directions and to see what she's been seeing. And we will also stream this to you so you can be part of it as well.